guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the new Figma release. There's a new release which is Figma Chrome extensions. So if you are using Chrome, you know that normally we go to the store and download extensions for our web experience, and now Figma decided to create a Chrome extension for us as well. So one of the Chrome extensions functions going to be you can insert your Figma gem or Figma design file in your Google Calendar meeting. Alright, so let me show you. Okay, so now we have the Google Chrome here, and then first of all you have to log into your account. Then in our Chrome you just have to type Chrome extensions Figma. Alright, now you can see the first result, which is this. Let's click in. Alright, now we're waiting them to load. Alright, you can see Figma featured by Google. Alright, let's add to Chrome. So blah 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 extensions. Alright, so basically they show you how to edit it, how to add in. Alright, so now our Figma has been added to the sidekick. The sidekick is a browser that I'm using, but still Google Chrome. Alright, so let's log in to the Figma. Alright, sorry guys, I have to log in first. Wait a sec, we'll be back. Alright, so now when you log into your account, you can see this little window thingy. So this video thingy is going to tell you that what they will get from your Figma information or profile, everything. Alright, we just click allow to access. Okay, so now your Figma has been loaded in your Chrome. So let's go back to Google Chrome. Let's go back to google.com. So in this area on the top right, you can see there's the apps button here, Google Apps. So you click in, and you can see there's a bunch of ads here, and you select calendar. So calendar basically is an app that allows you to create meetings, create a very quick hangout or something like this in your calendar, or anything you want, you can add inside. Alright, so now you can see it's quite empty right here because I have nothing put inside. I remove site. Okay. Alright, so now waiting them to load. Alright, so now here we have nothing right now. So on the top left we just create an event. Alright, so this event will be Figma discussions. Alright, so this event is going to be happen later 8:50. Yeah, wait. Alright, 50 to 9:50. Okay. Find the times. Okay, add guest. You can add guest if you want. Alright, now you can see add Figma board and add Figma file. So last time, if you remember, if you create a meeting, you will see that you just have to paste the link inside the description. But this time we are not going to do that. We are going to add Figma file. Pops up and they will load the library of your Figma. So now I can attach my files inside at events. Okay, so because this one is the Figma file title, because my file doesn't have title, so it's going to be untitled. Alright, so and maybe Figma board. Let me try if I have anything. Yeah, nothing. So I have a Figma board and a Figma file here. So if I click here and Figma, okay, it doesn't work if you attach both. So let me see. Try to add more files. Untitled. Yep, you can do it, but the first time cannot. Maybe you have to add your Figma gem first and your Figma design file second. Not sure, but yeah, at least we have these two files right here and save. Alright, so when you click back your discussions, you can see the file is being attached here. So let me share to someone. The person will be getting this invite as well. Alright, so go back the other account. Alright, so now we have this event. So when click in, you can straight away got these two Figma file and Jamboard is being linked together. So we click and it will straight away direct to the design file. Okay, pretty good I say. Then let me try another link. Yeah, let them look. Alright, let's make them to look. Okay. So even though you are not signed in, it will still appear because my link is set as a public link. And yeah. So I believe that if a file is in draft or you didn't put it out to the public, it won't appear in the list of the files. So if you want to get your design files to appear in the list just now we saw, you have to make it as public. So because you're going to share the link without the person logged into Figma. So alright, I think that's it for today, and hope you will try to use this function. And I'm not sure I'm going to use this function or not. I pretty sure will, because a lot of time I spend talking with my the person in charge a lot. So we have set the calendar, we have to put the file inside for them to view before the meeting. Yeah, I think that's it. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next one. Bye.